Machine Tianjin Artificial Environment Engineering Technology Company Limited was established in 2019 and is located in Tianjin, enjoying convenient transportation and a beautiful environment. We are specialized in the research, development, sale, and service of concealed fan coil unit, ultra-thin fan coil unit, cassette fan coil unit, air handling unit, air source heat pump, air-cooled chiller, rooftop packaged unit, fresh air ventilation, air curtain. Besides, we are making great efforts to develop new products to meet different requirements. We also welcome OEM/ODM orders, whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application. You can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. In addition, our affiliated factory has obtained CE, RoHS, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001 certificates. Our products are exported to clients in such countries and regions as Europe, North America, Mideast, Southeast Asia. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to establish cooperation and create a bright future with us together.
We can provide fan coil units, air handling units, and chiller or heat pump, which meet your requirements. Welcome to contact us.